So we're happy to introduce the 2300 Network Controller. This controller is the first industrial controller to hit the marketplace that offers network capability in an open architecture, so it'll accept anyone's 4 to 20 milliamp output sensor. This is the OptoMetrics 2300. We have it hooked up to our fish tank here at our 100 School Street factory location. What we're monitoring in this tank is we're monitoring the pH of the water, we're monitoring the oxidation reduction process potential of this water, the conductivity, and the turbidity of the water. This will work in many environments, actually. Small companies will be very happy to have this because it's the first time they can afford to have a controller that will be able to give them network capability and tie into all the instrumentation they have. Large organizations would really like this because of the network capabilities. It allows them to tie into all their instrumentation so they can get a global view of what's going on with their manufacturing. I also see this as being a strong product for systems integrators. People who produce a product on a skid that integrates multiple things in a process, because you can see everything in one screen instead of having 4 separate controllers. One of the best features of the 2300 controller is that it is a network device. The 2300 can be controlled from any network appliance that is browser enabled. That could be a smartphone, that could be a tablet, or your computer. The remote capabilities are really the key feature to this. It can help save employees by keeping them from going into hazardous environments. It'll lower the cost of operations because you can remotely diagnose and see problems. You can also, during the operations of your plant are going on weekends or evenings when you've got a small skeleton staff, it'll give you remote notification through emails and through text messages.
There's a lot you can do with the display on the unit, but once you play with the network interface, you won't want to work with it any other way. Any smartphone, tablet, or laptop will do the job. I'm also a believer, maybe because of my Y chromosome, that if I need to read the manual to set up a piece of electronics, then the manufacturer didn't do a good job. Well, controlling a new sensor to the 2300 accomplishes that with its configuration wizard. Just follow the on-screen instructions from wiring to configuring to calibrating to setting alarms, email notifications. The wizard even gives you a picture of the back of the unit and shows you which connector to use. This is the first controller that is 100% web enabled and that can handle up to 7 sensors, all at a price less than most people's controllers.